Hello friends. Welcome to Exploroverse. In this new series we shall see how the science emerged. Science's ongoing search for truth and a natural struggle to discover how the universe works. So, it is necessary to understand the thinking of earlier scientists and their discoveries. Let's start with Archimedes, the man behind Eureka. Archimedes of Syracuse was a Greek mathematician, physicist, engineer, inventor, and astronomer. He is well known to us for his Archimedes principle, which states us, when we immerse a solid body in water, the amount of water displaced is equal to the volume of the solid body that is immersed. There is awesome story behind this discovery. Hiram II, the king of Sicily, had ordered a new gold crown. He doubted that some of his pure gold was substituted to silver. So, he asked his chief scientist Archimedes to investigate whether the crown was pure gold? If not, how much amount of gold was stolen? As the crown was so beautiful, King Hiram does not wanted the crown to be damaged. Archimedes was puzzled, as without melting the crown he is not going to find its density. After failing in many attempts to find solution for this problem, Archimedes went to public bathroom for taking a bath. With his keen observation, he observed that the level of water in bathtub raised as sat in the bathtub, and he experienced a sort of weightlessness. Archimedes ran naked into streets shouting Eureka. After reaching his lab, he conducted some experiments and concluded that density is inversely proportional to volume. Archimedes had realized that if he lowered the crown into a bucket filled to the brim with water, it would displace some water, exactly the same amount as its own volume, and he could measure how much water spilled out. As silver is less dense than gold, the silver substituted crown is bigger than the pure gold crown, although their weight is same. Archimedes also realized that any object immersed in a liquid experiences an upward force called buoyant force, which is equal to the weight of the liquid it has displaced. Archimedes solved the puzzle by hanging the crown and an equal weight of pure gold on opposite ends of a stick, which he then suspended by its center so that the two weights balanced. Then, he lowered the whole thing into a tub of water. Of course, the crown which was substituted with silver displaced more water, and tilted sharply. King Hiram punished the dishonest goldsmith, and Archimedes was honored for his achievement. This principle explains why the large boats float in water instead of sinking. If the weight of displaced water is at least equal to the weight of the ship will float. Finally, the important thing which helped Archimedes to achieve greatness is his keen observation. So, if you need to achieve greatness in science, develop keen observation. For more interesting facts as a daily dose, join Exploroverse.